Hello, ma'am.
Hi Pradeep, can you hear me?
Hello, ma'am. Yes,
Hi,
ma'am. Yes.
good
Yes, I
afternoon. How are
can.
you?
Hi, ma'am. Good. I'm
Good.
great, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. I am seeing you and I'm
Wow.
happy.
Nice to meet you again, ma'am.
Same
Yes.
here, Pradeep. So, how are you?
I'm doing great, ma'am. And
That's good.
I, it's nice to meet you again. Yeah.
It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. So, Pradeep, how's your day going?
It was going great, ma'am. I attended to my online classes this morning,
Okay. What did you
and
study today?
and yeah, yeah, uh, class environmental engineering class has uh, done. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Just attended the classes which are scheduled.
Okay. Okay. It's still online only, going online only.
Yes, ma'am. Uh, uh, I'm going to my college in this 18th February. On 18th February.
18th February. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. That is nice. So, what else? What do we talk about today, Pradeep? Your choice today.
I'd like to have a casual conversation, ma'am. And
Casual
I want to,
conversation.
yes, ma'am. I want to know about you. You're, where are you from, ma'am?
You want to know about me? I am
Yes.
from Delhi.
Wow. Yes, yes.
Pradeep, I think there is some network error. When you're speaking, I can't see you speak. Only your voice is coming. Yes, yes, better now.
Okay.
Did you
Okay, ma'am.
do something?
Network is good here, ma'am.
Yeah, I can see you, I can hear you also, but I can't see you moving when you're talking.
Now, ma'am, I'm not moving actually.
Yeah, I know. No problem, no problem.
Even okay.
Yes, so what do we talk? What casual topic do you want to pick?
I want to know. Uh, English is not your first language, so you're not. It is not your mother tongue. How did you improve, or
It looks
or
like
you?
in this session I am the learner and you are the speaker. We're going to have fun in this
No,
session,
no,
yeah?
no.
No, I don't have a problem with
Yes,
that. It's
ma'am.
all right. I am also going to learn something from you.
Oh,
Yeah, I
I want to learn something. I want to know your strategy, which I want to adopt
no, Pradeep, there is
from
no
you.
strategy. I think the people in my family encouraged me to talk in English right from we were kindergarten kids.
Wow,
My
wow.
grandfather always wanted me to talk in English, and um, we had the best of what do I say? Uh, we had the best of rules in our house. Getting up early, brushing the teeth, saying good morning to everybody, communicating in English, and so on and so forth. So when again in the last session
That
also
was
I said,
great, ma'am.
the more you speak, the more you're fluent.
Yes,
Yes. So
yes,
that is there, and it wasn't any rocket science. It was easy,
okay.
but but it's okay. I still think that I can improve. I don't think I'm perfect. There's a lot to learn, but that is what
Oh,
is life, I think. Yeah.
yes, ma'am. That is absolutely.
So throw any more questions you have.
No, ma'am.
No. So did you
And
watch any? Yes, ask me please.
yeah, ma'am. I watch your. No, ma'am. Ask me. What are you going to ask now?
No, no, I was not asking. I was telling you you were speaking something. You were saying something.
Okay. Yeah, I have had a look of the PDFs that were put in the Clappingo app, man.
Okay.
And it today's session about today's session.
Okay.
I, I think it's about food.
Yes, it is about food. That's nice. That's good. You've come prepared with some words. You have some new words.
No, ma'am, I don't. I just had a look at it. Can't remember.
Okay. So we'll keep it very simple and casual in terms of food.
Okay, ma'am.
All right.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Uh,
Yes, ma'am.
how often do you go out to eat, Pradeep? And what is your favorite food? Favorite.
I usually don't go to the restaurants. I
Okay.
prefer uh, I prefer to eat in my home. Actually, uh, in my school days and the hostel, college days are all in. I studied in hostels.
Okay.
I don't go much to went out to eat food. And my favorite dish
Okay.
is it. It seems some weird. Do you know bitter gourd, man? Bitter
Yes.
gourd.
Yes. 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 Oh, that is your favorite.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Only which is made by my mom. It was delicious.
Oh,
My mom made it delicious.
that's nice. That's I think moms have some magic in their hands. Whatever they
Yes, ma'am.
make, you cannot repeat the taste, and you will not find it anywhere
Yes,
else,
ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, do you also cook, Pradeep? Do you like to cook?
No, ma'am, I don't. I like to eat more. I'm a foodie. I'm
You're
a
a
foodie
foodie.
person.
Oh, great,
Yes,
great.
ma'am.
So, what else? Bitter gourd is your favorite. Apart from that, what else?
Apart from that, um, I went to a small restaurant and we ate uh, in my when I'm at hostel when I was at hostel.
Okay.
Me and my friend and I went to hostel and I that chicken biryani. We had a chicken biryani and that is delicious. That's it.
Yeah, very delicious.
Yes,
I think
ma'am.
chicken name only when comes now, I feel like I want to have chicken. I feel hungry. I don't know why.
Wow.
Okay,
Okay.
that's fine. So, mom cooks chicken at home also. Your
Yes,
mom
ma'am.
cooks. Oh, that's
Yes,
nice. That's
ma'am.
nice.
We are
So when
both
are you?
vegetarians and non-vegetarians.
Oh, mix. That's nice.
Eh,
It's important
uh,
to have at home also, because sometimes
yes, ma'am.
outside food has so much of oil and spices. The home cooked
Yes,
is
ma'am.
brilliant. It's
Yes,
best,
ma'am.
I think. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
it
And
is.
Pradeep, yeah, I know. And mom's hand so has magic as it is.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So Pradeep, you like spicy food or you like non-spicy?
I like spicy, ma'am.
Spicy food. Okay,
And
great.
also I like sweet more. I like uh, I like to have more sweet. I don't know. I'm obsessed with sweet.
Oh, you have a sweet tooth.
Eating sweet.
You
Yes, ma'am.
okay? Okay. So let's talk about that. What is your favorite sweet dish?
Laddu, ma'am. Laddu.
Laddu.
Laddu, Mysore
Um,
Pak. I ate all.
you eat all.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
There are so many varieties of laddu. There's besan laddu. Then
Yes,
there
ma'am.
is
Bandar laddu.
yes, yes.
Bundi laddu. We call it
Bundi.
bundi laddu, bandar laddu.
Okay.
And
Mm.
yes, ma'am.
And there is motichur laddu also. So many varieties of laddu.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
When I go to shop and when my mom tells me to get any sweets, so there are so many varieties of laddu, and I personally don't like. I'm not very fond of sweets.
Okay.
So then I tell him,
Okay.
give laddu. So he'll say, what laddu? Then I'll call her and then I'll ask her, what laddu? Then she'll say, the chota wala, छोटा बूंदी का लड्डू, बड़े बूंदी का लड्डू, बेसन
Wow.
का लड्डू, मोतीचूर का लड्डू. I like, why is laddu just not laddu? Why so many varieties of laddu? Then the shopkeeper only gets confused. He says,
That was funny.
what do you want? So this is all the time varieties of sweets. And people who love sweets,
Wow.
they know everything. What
Yes,
variety of laddu, how much meetha is it in? I mean, they know everything, all the tricks of it.
yes,
I'm
ma'am.
sure you
Yes,
also know. Your mom also would be cooking, no, at home.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Mix.
And my
Oh,
mom had learned making biscuits too. recently,
Oh,
and
very nice.
I loved it.
I know,
Yes.
very nice. So these culinary skills are there in your
What?
blood only, from mom to you. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And
Okay.
what is your favorite dish, ma'am?
My favorite dish is also chicken. I love butter chicken. I can have butter chicken every day.
Wow, that's great, ma'am.
Yeah. So, Pradeep, when you go out to eat food, whose company you enjoy the most? Whom do you go out with?
Yeah, I want. I go out with my best friend.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So he's also
I would like
vegetarian?
to go out with my friends. No, ma'am. He's also vegetarian,
Non-veg.
non-vegetarian. We like
Okay,
both.
non-vegetarian.
He also loves eating chicken, like you.
Okay, okay. Pradeep, in this session, the voice is really breaking. I don't know what is the network issue, but it's
Okay.
not coming clearly. My voice is coming to you clearly, Pradeep.
Yeah, it is clear. It is clear,
It
ma'am.
is clear. Okay, I don't know from my side.
Maybe the signal is good here, ma'am, but
Yeah,
I
even
don't
the
know
signal.
what is the problem.
There's some problem in Delhi NCR only today. Then I guess I don't know. Maybe. So Pradeep, what did you watch? Did you see any English series? Hello, hello, Pradeep. Hello, hello.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Pradeep. I don't know what happened. The signal just went.
Yes, ma'am. Here too. And
Yes,
I watched.
it's
I,
better.
I watched.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. I came to the top of my house.
Yes, this is better, Pradeep. Now it is better.
Okay. And
Yes,
I
tell me.
watched the Soul movie, Disney movie, ma'am. An animated movie which was suggested by a clapping a tutor.
That's
Divyam,
nice. So
Divyam, Divyam Jayan Deshmukh, I think.
okay, okay, okay. That's nice. That's nice. So how was the movie?
It was great, ma'am.
Great.
Uh,
Enjoyed it.
yes, ma'am. Yeah, who doesn't enjoy Disney movies? There was.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I know. That's nice. So did you pick up any new words from the movie?
Uh, yes, ma'am. But I I don't remember it now. But
It's
I
okay.
love but I love
Okay.
the theme of it.
The theme of it.
In,
Okay. The story was nice.
yes, ma'am. We
Nice.
have the theme I got is we should enjoy every moment, every breath of our life.
Absolutely. Because we don't know what is going to happen
Yes,
next.
ma'am.
We
Yes,
keep on saving money. We keep on, our parents thought we will take care of our children. We should not go out. We should not spend money,
yes,
but
ma'am.
we should live in the moment. Yes, savings are also very important, but one
Yes,
must live one's life nicely, there should
yes,
not be any regrets. And especially after COVID, you know what, after COVID I started to think the world can destroy anytime. I'm going to die anytime. I think I should eat well, I should shop a lot, then I should fulfill all my dreams, go on a trip to a place that
yes,
is my
ma'am.
dreamland. Like during COVID
I
I
too
thought,
have that sort of ideas, ma'am.
oh wow, that's
Yes,
nice.
ma'am.
Like mine. That's
Yes,
nice.
ma'am. We have similar mindsets, I think.
Yeah, similar minds. Okay, great. So Pradeep, I think we are coming towards the end of the session.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
I want you to write. Actually, we did speak about dreams last time, did we?
No, ma'am, we
No.
didn't.
Okay, okay,
Yes.
then probably my other session. I want you to talk about dreams in your next session when I come or any other speaker comes.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. And good English,
No-
you're going to practice it well, and we are going to talk about it.
Okay, ma'am. Do you
All right.
do you uh, I mean do you watch any difference before session and this session, ma'am? In my speaking or?
Yes. Yes. A little change I have seen. You have used an. You have used the word
Yes,
"and" before the
more.
vowel. Yes,
Okay.
I noticed that. That's nice. That's nice. No, Pradeep, you're going to do really well. But as I just told you at the beginning of the last session, also, the more you practice, is the more you'll be confident, and your pace today is also good, better
Okay,
than
ma'am.
the last session. Yes, and you're
Yes,
confident
ma'am.
also this time.
Hope I'll pick up more. I'll be more confident in our further session.
In our further session. Absolutely. All right, then,
Okay, ma'am.
Pradeep, we'll meet next
Thank
time
you.
and we'll talk about this. Okay?
Nice. Okay, ma'am. Great
Okay.
talk to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Pradeep. Same here. Have a good
Th-
evening. Bye bye.
You too, ma'am. Bye.